Objects can contain primitives. Primitives can just contain a value and are one of 8 data types. Objects can be of an infinite amount of data types, since you can specify new classes that are the type you made up. And these classes can specify properties. The properties can be of primitive types. So for example, when we have the class car, this car can have a property number of wheels, which is going to be of type int. An int is a primitive, meaning that our car has a primitive as a property. Of course, our car could have all other sorts of primitives as properties, but for now, this example should suffice. So, to sum up, primitives cannot contain objects, but objects can contain primitives. Objects can also contain objects. Let's explore that in the next video.